Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you always looking for good solar lighting during the beautiful summer months or any time of the year? These solar lights from ROSHWEY are a great addition to our stairs and deck, and we're super excited to be able to have better lighting at night. So we added these onto our stairs and placed them on the sides, both in the front and back of our home. They were really easy to install, and it came with all of the equipment that we needed to be able to get them in. I love that they provide very subtle lighting. It's so nice to be able to have them on the stairs so that you can feel comfortable coming up and down, especially once that sun goes down. We know how dark that it can be outside. Having the good lighting can make such a difference, and I love the warmer months, especially having that lighting. It just adds in such a nice glow to the outside. You can see on the back it had the place for the screws, and they even included a guide so that you could easily put these up to ensure that they would be straight. They have that sensor so that they easily can detect when they need to light up, and they're made out of stainless steel. Really nice feature. If you're looking for some additional solar options around your home, these are a great option for you to be able to add some lighting to your decks, your porches. They are really easy to install, and they provide such a great source of lighting. We love them in our family, and I'm sure yours would as well. And that's my point of view.